name is Coach Good, and we are going to do a video on the 10 gross motor skills. Now, one of the most important things that we can teach kids is how to move. And these 10 gross motor skills are core skills that all kids need to learn, starting from the age of about 2 up to 5 years old. So we'll talk about those. I'll show you those 10 gross motor skills. Obviously, the most basic is just walking. And then we have running. And you've got galloping. Now with galloping, you have two sides of the body. Once the kids get to about 4 years old, they should be able to switch to the opposite lead leg and still gallop. And then you have skipping, which is popping that knee up. Now a lot of times, as a basic, we'll do marching. And this goes into one of the skills called climbing, like climbing stairs. But you have your legs, and then you can do your arms, climbing. And a lot of times in my classes, we do both together, like we're climbing a tree or a mountain. So far we've got walking, running, galloping, skipping, climbing, arms and legs. You have hopping, which is continuous. And then you have a jump, which is vertical, and a jump, which is horizontal. The difference, one of the differences between jumping and hopping, hopping's continuous. Jumping, you land, you stick the landing. So then you have sliding. So you can slide, and depending on the surface, my shoes aren't great on the gym floor, but if you have a paper plate or a scarf, it's much easier to slide. But you got side slides, backwards, forwards, and then you have leaping one foot to the other foot. So in a game that I play with that is usually jump the creek. And even though it says jump the creek, we actually get to leaping the creek. So the 10 gross motor skills: walking, running, galloping, skipping, hopping, leaping, sliding, climbing arms, climbing legs, and then our last one is, don't remember what it is, don't remember what it is, don't remember what it is.